Hi, welcome to the Microscopy 101 quick series on Köhler. Here we're going to talk about Köhler in under 2 minutes, so I'm going to speak quickly. More detail is available on other videos in the site. But let's have a look at this. So let's start the timer. So Köhler Illumination lets us set the microscope correctly for the illumination. We want to look at the field aperture. We want to look at the condenser. We want to look at the condenser aperture up here. And what we do, we pop a slide on the microscope, focus the slide. When the slide's focused, we can close the field aperture and get that into focus. We can then center it if we need to. That's part of the job. We then open the field aperture outside the field of view. Then we can adjust the aperture diaphragm, condenser diaphragm, for maximum contrast. Note, if you do this too much, you will get a very poor image with low resolution. So this is contrast versus resolution. What we're actually doing is matching the aperture of the condenser with the aperture of the objective. When these two are matched, we have optimum resolution contrast for the microscope. That's Köhler in a nutshell. So, quick recap: close field aperture, focus it using the condenser focusing, outside of field of view, adjust the condenser aperture. Now, the downside is you're going to have to do this for each objective when you change to another objective. The upside is you will have evenly illuminated, high resolution pictures that you can use for image analysis or any other purposes. So that's Köhler in a nutshell. Hope that was useful. Thanks for watching. Please be in touch if you need any more details. Thank you.